I keep it juicy, juicy. I eat that lunch. She keep that booty, booty. She keep that plump. That natural beauty, beauty. Yeah. Hey, if you could see it from the front, wait till you see it from the back, 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 back. If you could see it from the front, wait till you see it.
So, I have a video today on me getting this candy that I bought from Japan, and I haven't made the video until now. So it came in this package with a message from them. I'm sure. Well, it said from Japan. And I got it off eBay. Yeah, got it off eBay. So I'm about to open the package and we gonna see what it is. Cause I don't remember at all. Finally, I opened it. And it was $1 for 1 bar. And my mom was like, it feels so small though. And I was like, I know, right? Oh my god, they put a little origami package in here. This is cool. How do I, like, you know, how do I open it? What is it? Is it a bird? Hold on, let me see. It's something. It's coming together now, I think. Is it coming together? Do I have it? I don't want to rip it. What is it? A bird? Is this a bird? I think it's a bird. I don't know how it goes. Would it goes like this? Do it? I don't know. I think. Oh, okay. Okay. Got it. I think I got it. I think it goes like this. Yo! Okay. That's pretty cool. They put a little package in here. This is awesome, yo. Let me get a close up on that. Like the flowers, the details, like really cool. This is really nice. I ain't never get nothing like this before. This is nice. This is awesome. Okay, so Choco Bar. I bought a Choco Bar. And I'm about to open it all the way. Wow, they made sure nobody was going to open the package before it get damaged. It's pretty awesome. Excuse me. Allergies. Allergies. Hold on. I'm going to get these scissors. I wanted to get the Kit Kats as well. One day I'm gonna order it. Cause there's almost like 300 flavors of Kit Kats. So eventually I'll make a video on that. Cause I'm gonna like try different things. Flavors of candy. Cause we always eat the same thing around here. It'd be interesting. I mean, Choco Bar Japan. Choco Bar Japan. Let me get that. And this is what it looked like on the cover. But does it actually look like that? Open it. I feel like I wasted $1. It's so small. I feel sorry for the kids that be buying these, or adults. It's so small. Hershey bar is longer than this. A Snickers is longer than this and thicker though. for $1. It smells chocolatey. Look at it. Oh my god. The inside. Oh my god, it's so chocolatey. But it's like 2 types of chocolate mixed with like that crunchiness. Oh my gosh. I think this is cracker part on the inside. It tastes like really good. Okay. It's worth the $1. It's worth the $1. This flavor tastes so good. Yeah. I'm definitely gonna recommend this because it tastes good. Alright.